Hi, it's Jeff Calaguar and Greg Stutz here with the 2-Minute Mindset with Entrepreneur on Purpose. Are you willing to see things from a whole different perspective? You know, sometimes when things get all murky and muddy as you're going along this entrepreneurial journey, it takes actually stepping back and asking some questions and experimenting to do something different.
That may be really just an essential skill, to be able to step back when something isn't working, it's not going the way you thought it was or thought it was supposed to be able to step back and look at it differently. And there's a great example of that in the Gospel of John when Jesus sees all these people following him and they're hungry, and he turns to Philip and says, "Philip, where are we going to get food for all these people?" And of course, Philip realizes they don't have enough money to buy food, even if they could find enough food. And yet Jesus already had a solution. He just needed his disciples to begin to think differently.
You know, in fact, in a recent book by Eric Ries called The Lean Startup, he talks about the willingness to experiment as a key entrepreneurial skill now, not just going down a road and becoming inflexible, but doing things as an experiment and then asking some key questions. And 4 questions he says that we should ask is, number 1, do consumers recognize they have the problem we're trying to solve? Number 2, if there was a solution, would they buy it? Number 3, would they buy it from us? And number 4, can we build a solution to this problem?
Jeff, I just think it's like we're saying, it's an essential skill to be able to step back and look at what we're working on from a different perspective, a different angle. Very rarely are we going to be able to see the solution right from the start. So much of this is about trial and error. Learn from your mistakes, keep going, don't quit. So what is it today that you are working on that maybe you need to take a step back or take a step around it and look at it from a different perspective?
And guys, if you're in the Entrepreneur on Purpose community, be sure just to comment. Let us know where you're needing to experiment or what you're learning. And we will see you guys on the next video. Have a great week. Hi, it's Jeff Calaguar. Wait, yeah, let's try it again. Yeah, Greg, you're still frozen. Hello. Oh, oh, nuts. Greg, are you as good looking in person as you are on video?
What? What are we doing?
What was the question again?